official government employees are joined by Dr. Inara. Good morning po. Welcome to La Trinidad Municipal Hall.
The People's Law Enforcement Board of the Municipality of La Trinidad, headed by Attorney Susana Umayat.
And the Federation of Senior Citizens Association of La Trinidad, headed by Honorable Virginia Piazza. One of our biggest dedications during the barrier of our Senior Citizens Association.
Our BJMP coordinator, led by Senior Superintendent Rebelina Sindol and Senior Inspector Bernard Marcos.
Ganda ng mascot nila. Holding the banner of the big jail BGMP car is also their BGMP car 2022. To all our visitors, welcome to La Trinidad.
Once again, happy Strawberry Festival 2023. Also joining us today, we have our La Trinidad Fire Station, led by Senior Inspector Victor T. Sayapen Jr. Performing with us today, we have our San Jose Drum and Lyre. Drum and Lyre. Joining us today, we have Barangay Alapang, headed by Honorable Punong Barangay Rolando Leon.
Escorted by our municipal councilor and the keepers.
Joining Barangay Alapang are the PHW Women's Association and Pantay Basura Advocates. And next in line we have Barangay Ano La Trinidad, headed by Punong Barangay Johnny S. Puro. They are joined by the Ano Senior Citizen Association as well as the Ano Barangay Women's Association. Happy Strawberry Festival, Barangay Ano.
Up next is Barangay Ambiong. Barangay Ambiong is headed by Robert Anthony Anba.
Barangay Ambiong is joined by their Barangay Development Council, the PHWs, Barangay Ambiong SWM, and Women's Association of Barangay Ambiong.
We also have here Barangay Baho, the Rose Garden of the Philippines. They are joined and headed by Punong Barangay Honorable Julay T.C. They are joined by their barangay-based Senior Citizen Association.
Also joining us today, we have Barangay Balilig. They are headed by Honorable Punong Barangay Billy Bilango. And then Barangay Balilig, we also have their Lupong Tagapakayapa, as well as the Barangay Health Workers and the Barangay Balilig Senior Citizen Association, TANOS and CBOs, and also their daycare workers as well as their women's brigade.
Barangay Malini also is headed by OIC Kagawad Cyril Enyo.
Together with our strawberry heart balloons, we have Barangay Bakal, headed by Punong Barangay Honorable Gregorio D. Antonio. Joining them is their Barangay Council, their BPADs, their Barangay Tanods, and Women's Association.
After our main program, we'll be having our ticket and celebration.
Let us also welcome Comila. They are also joined by their barangay council as well as their Lupong Tagapamayapa and also their Senior Citizens Association. Barangay Betag is also the home of your strawberry farms located in KM6 swamp area. They also have their local council for women, our Betag local council for women. Celebrating with us also is we have our barangay bilang headed by Honorable Punong Barangay Patricio Watar. We also have Miss Bilang, there's Sangguniang Kabataan, and PHWs as well as Women's Association. Holding the banner, we have Barangay Cruz, and joining them is Mr. and Miss Cruz, as well as their Punong Barangay ABC President, Honorable Charles C. Canuto with the Paypay. Barangay Cruz is joined by their council, their staff, the PHWs, and their Women's Association, as well as the Senior Citizens Association.
Next in line also is Barangay Lubas, headed by Honorable Roger L. Angel.
Joining us today, we have Barangay Pico together with Mr. and Miss Pico, as well as their Punong Barangay Honorable Juan A. Mendoza, the Barangay Council, Barangay Staff, and the Senior Citizens Association. Happy Strawberry Festival, Barangay Pico! Joining us also today, we have Barangay Poblacion. They are headed by Punong Barangay Manuel L. Amoy Jr. together with Mr. Poblacion, the Barangay Council and Staff, the PHWs, and of course, the wonderful women of Poblacion Association. Welcome to our Strawberry Festival. We also have their Women's Brigade as well as their Senior Citizens Association.
Broadcasting Live, we also have our delegates from Barangay Bugis, led by Rebel Tyron B. Diaz, together with the Sangguniang Kabataan.
And also Miss Boogie. Joining us also today, we have Barangay Shilana, headed by Pulong Barangay Honorable Jeffrey C. Masdag, joined by the Barangay Council, staff, and the Senior Citizens Association, as well as the Women's Association. We also have our Barangay Shilan Child Development Workers, our BHWs, and the Women's Association.
And of course, Barangay Tawang. They are headed by Honorable Brenda T. White in our Mr. and Miss Tawang.
Last but definitely not the least, for our Division 2, we have Barangay Wangal, headed by Punong Barangay Castro W. Faustino. And we also have their Senior Citizens Association clad in their ethnic attires. They are also joined by their Barangay Council and staff, their BHW's Women's Association.
Leading the Division 3 of our parade is the Vegas State University Contad. So they will be having their performance here at the municipal grounds.
Division 3 is composed of 9 agencies, non-government organizations, and civil service organizations.
Inside the municipal gym will have more of these performances tomorrow during the street dancing competition.
Also joining us today, we have our Department of Science and Technology, Cordillera.
Ay, man, bagbagot.
Uy, sulat, uy.
We also have Department of Public Works and Highways, Benguet 1st District Engineering Office. Headed by Engineer Isagane C. Jaime, District Officer. The OSP car is headed by the Regional Director, Dr. Nancy A. Bantag.
Dr. Nancy Bantag. We would like also to welcome our friends from the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Headed by Mr. Hil Binluan Jr. And of course, our friends from the Land Transportation Office, District Office.
Headed by their District Officer, Mr. Arsenio W. Bagtang. And we also have our Philippine Health Insurance Corporation joining us today, PhilHealth.
We also have here the Philippine Statistics Authority, Benguet Provincial Office.
And then we also have Land Bank, La Trinidad.
We are headed by Mr. Dinamo Dupaya. And we have our PSU band, headed by Mr. Our Division 3 is composed of PSU churches and religious support, various political organizations, and constituent is an establishment
Celebrating with us today, we have the Cordillera Administrative Region Department of Education, headed by Regional Director Dr. Estela L. Carino. And then we also have our Department of Education, La Trinidad District, headed by Dr. De La Rosa V. Delmas. And then we also have our DepEd Alternative Learning System, headed by Josephine Antonio.
We are joined by their students. Palakpakan natin. Yan, King's College of the Philippines. Yan, welcome to Trinidad.
King's College of the Philippines is headed by Rani P. Campos. And then we are also joined by UCCP, La Trinidad Integrated School Incorporated. the Benguet State University La Trinidad Campus, headed by Dr. Felipe Salay Cumila, joined by the deans, directors, and heads of offices. Trinidad Benguet University of Guam Happy Strawberry Festival. Incorporated, headed by Jackie Alamdeo Maranes. Association of Tawang, headed by Pastor Dixon Mabini. Strawberry Festival from McDonald's La Trinidad, headed by Marcos Casey Antoinette.
the Strawberry Farm Active Area Vendors Association, headed by Ma'am Bernadette Sticker.
We also have Greenwich La Trinidad, headed by Miss Faye Atos.
Good morning, Love Life Resto Cafe, located at BFR La Trinidad, headed by Ma'am Ina Masu.
Joining us today also is we have Palawan Pawn Shop, Palawan Express, Pera Padala, headed by Miss Jennifer Rebosuca, together with her bird mascot.
Celebrating also with the festival is the Antar Motors, headed by Ma'am Mary Jane Mendoza.
And we also have our Comfy Lending Incorporated, headed by Miss Sylvia Lingbanen. Thank you for joining us.
Joining this year's Strawberry Festival is the Fraternal Order of Eagles.
Northern Luzon, Region 8, headed by Mr. Eagle Sunny Balanoy. And Regional Vice Governor Eagle Dennis Lumano. And with the special participation of Tarlac Malingap Eagle Club, headed by Eagle Neptali Bermudez. Thank you for joining us in this year's Strawberry Festival.
Speaker 6, 2019. We are headed by Ma'am Joy
Joining us also is Ronin BJJ La Trinidad, led by Mr. Gino Avalos.
Basihan. They're located at Liberal Gym in Dali Building in for Manila.
And then we also have Shinshin Karate Do, headed by Ruben Tindaan. Thank you for joining us.
We'd like also to acknowledge the Veterans Federation of the Philippines, headed by veteran Makari. Are joined by the Sons and Daughters Association.
Joining us today, we have the Benguet Association of Optometrists, headed by Mr. Richard Swaki. We also have our civic society organizations, La Trinidad Benguet, as well as Cordillera Development Action Team Incorporated, La Trinidad Benguet.
And this is the Waterside Community Consumers Cooperative headed by Sir Franklin Coco.
And we also have our Universal Multi-Purpose Cooperative headed by Mr. Rayan Vizquera. Ma'am Rayan Vizquera. And celebrating with us today, we have the Benguet State University and Community Multi-Purpose Cooperative, led by Ms. Hazel Abelon.
One of the senior cooperatives in the Philippines.
And then we also have BSU Orchidarium and Ornamental Plants Association, headed by Ms. Fe Kaya. Also joining us, we have the La Trinidad Vegetable Trading Post Multi-Purpose Cooperative, headed by Ms. Nora C. Ganase. Approaching the municipal chief, we have Brudai UK, headed by Ms. Gladys Bugdo. And we also have GT Bugdo, Life Insurance. And then we have United Benguet Women's Farmer Association, headed by Ms. Rose Magno. And then joining us, we have our Credit Cooperative, headed by Ms. Aimee Teliao. Also joining us, we have HealthScreen Laboratory and Diagnostic Center, Benguet Branch, headed by Ms. Carla Rigos. And then we also have our La Trinidad Solo Parents Association, headed by Ms. Mary Grail Bastian. also have the Family Planning Organization of the Philippines, headed by Mr. Kiko. And then we have Ajuan Community Center.
Ajuan Community Center. Also, we have Zonta Club of La Trinidad, member of Zonta International Empowering Women to Service and Advocacy, headed by Ms. Soledad Sumo.
And we also have our Philippine Society of Sanitary Engineers Incorporated, Cordillera Administrative Region Chapter, headed by Ms. Nancy Bulak. And then we have our Baptiste Traders and Truckers Association Incorporated, headed by Mr. Alejandro Monteflor. Also joining us today, we have our Grace Guardians Chapter. Approaching our municipal chief, we have the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, headed by Mr. Dennis Dumano. Mabuhay ang Agila.
They are also joined by our Municipal Councilor Francis Lee. Joining our Strawberry Festival also is our Philippine Red Cross Benguet Chapter, headed by Sir Oscar Paris.
Mabuhay ang Red Cross.
Another partner also of La Trinidad, we have Aboitiz Power Headquarters, headed by Sir Justin Lee.
Behind Aboitiz Power, we have Tai Chi La Trinidad Group Wushu Federation Cordillera, headed by Ms. Felicitas Gracia.
To have a performance. Let's watch Tai Chi La Trinidad Group.
Happy Strawberry Festival coming from the Igorots tribe, Benguet, led by Mr. Lloyd Latgrin Bakbak.
Moros pa lang yun, di ba? Manaryo ko lang, di ba?
Agtitinulong tayo kay Iyang Takno at Biyag Tika Igurutan. Happy Strawberry Festival, Igorot Warriors International Incorporated. Celebrating with us is the Cordillera Comprehensive Action Team, the CCCAP. Serving your country and mine is our service to God. Headed by Sir Gabriel Francisco.
Ay, banget deh teh. Banget. Ay, harap ay kasi sing ko yung isa ta. Ni per earth.
Also joining us in this year's Strawberry Festival, we have the Bangads Group, Bangads Philippines Skill Station, led by Mr. RJ Berceles. Bangads Philippines Irisan, led by Mr. Jam Buen Consejo. Bangads MC Philippines, Bangads Sablan Philippines, Bangads La Trinidad Philippines, and Bangads Binalonan Philippines. Thank you for celebrating with us. Also joining us today, we have the La Trinidad Municipal Employees Association Choir. They will be serenading us with songs later on.
And I think that ends our line for the Civic Parade. Once again, good morning and happy Strawberry Festival with the theme, A Festival for Recovery, Building a Brighter Future from Adversities. So joining this year's Strawberry Festival is the Fraternal Order of Eagle.
sabi nila, yung assembly time, alas 6. So, before 5 o'clock, hindi na ako sa kasi.
Stay put and
Kaya pa sir, kaya pa. Kaya sir, tuloy.